How to add a new page in Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add a page or a new page in Hostinger and how we can customize this page. So you're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to head over the dashboard like this. This is the landing page of the dashboard. We're going to select the websites from the left side of the screen, and we are going to click on websites lists. Now, what are we going to do basically is to have the website that we own, and then we are going to click on edit website. Make sure that you have this sign or this logo inserted because this is the sign of the Hostinger website builder. So, or else you're not going to get the access to it. So we are going to click on edit website. We are going to wait for the website to be showing, and this is it. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the left side of the screen. We have the site setup checklist, we have the add element, pages navigations, website styles, and etc. The more important thing in here is the pages and navigation. We're going to see all the elements that has been contained in the header, which is going to be the pages or the link to the pages. So we are going to have the access to modify pages, rename them, and do whatever. Now we are going to create a new page. How we can do that, we are going to see here that we have this button, which is going to be add page with the plus sign. Click on it, and you are going to see that we can add some empty pages, generated pages, blog pages, online store pages, and here some of the preset pages that we have from Hostinger. So you can either go ahead and use a preset page, and that preset page also could be modified because it contains some elements that could be modifiable, customizable, personalizable, and also we can delete some elements that we do not see them fit. For example, I'm going to add the about page, and that about page is going to be here. So we are going to get the base settings like the general name in navigation, the about or the page URL. Also, we can have the hide the page option. We have also the social image, which is going to be showing on the social media, and we have the password if you're going to protect or password protect this page. So this is for the cases that you are going to make it private. I'm going to the general and click on yes or I accept this page. We're going to see this page, and here it is. So each one of the pages will have, as you can see, this specific modified elements, because we can add all of these elements that you can see from here to this specific space. These are going to be pre-made pages that has been set up and put on just to put the things quicker. So basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.